It started as far back as 1936-37. Sir Evan D. Jones, who was one of the officers of the library and an engineer, made the suggestion. Things were looking pretty bad at the time. And by 1937, they had agreed to build the tunnel. It was commenced end of July, beginning of August 1938, and completed October 1939. Then, of course, the British Museum had heard of the venture and asked if they could have half the tunnel. The tunnel was horseshoe shape, and it was easy to split it in two, as it were, divide it in two, I should say. And there was an entrance on either side. So that was agreed. And the manuscripts and material, the most valuable material in the land, really, was kept in the tunnel during the war years.
That wartime shelter under the National Library is no longer used and has long been bricked up. Gaining access once again was to prove no easy task. In 1939, E.D. Jones was on the library staff.
Well, I haven't been in since we evacuated at the end of the war. And at that time, you could see what was going to happen because the water was seeping through the rock. It's a very porous rock. And I'm sure that it's dripping wet by now.
Do you think it'll be used again?
Well, I don't think so. It will have to be redone, really, if it's ever used again, and made more waterproof than it was.
It seems remarkable that manuscripts of that value were kept in a place that was half waterlogged.
Ah, but it wasn't. The water was drained away. See, there was a kind of a canopy of cardboard treated with coal tar to lead the drips into a drainage system.
He remembers the nightly patrols to ensure the safety of the manuscripts.
There would be a representative of the museum and of the library sleeping at night in the library and coming down about midnight to inspect the place, escorted by an armed policeman with his revolver, and we take the readings of the humidity and the heat, and then we'd go back to sleep until the morning.